Whoa! Gee whiz!
Whoa.
No, you didn't have to say sorry, it's not your fault, the road's just come my way now. A bit more. That's fine. Stay here, don't go back out, stay here.
Sorry.
Sound, stay here. We're good now, off you go. Alright?
They're terrible, them, aren't
They are, yeah. It's a lethal overtake by that one. What if that green car had emerged there?
Smash.
Yep. But that was it was a lethal one. And don't forget, all to do what?
Yeah. Stop them where I'm stopping.
No. Right. Because we're holding them up that much. Turn right. Eyes at eye level. Don't need to stare at the taxi. Eyes at eye level. Get looking, see what you can see. Lean. Look. Eyes at eye level. Keep looking. If we can't see, we're going to make certain. And creep if you can. When you find that little opportunity, looking through people, around people. What do you reckon? Good? Taxi driver on the horn. Honestly, that's an absolute disgrace. Makes sense. Well done. We're staying in this lane, and we're not following where that lorry's gone.
Straight.
Yeah, behind the silver one up there. And never do what that BMW did. Right lane to turn left.
Oh, no.
It's just that impatience. But
I don't get that, you know.
no, well, people.
So you're not going to get anywhere faster
Exactly.
than a couple of seconds, are you?
They obviously think you do because they would like to have sat at that light for a little bit longer. Anyway. Just go. Yeah, got it. Hands go. Yeah, good. Well done. Do you understand? Don't rush. Don't rush. That's too heavy with that gas, though, mate. Yeah. You've got to learn to just have that foot back a little bit, toes a little bit more on the pedal, and be a little bit gentle with it. What should we do with this guy?
Watch what the taxi does a little bit further up.
All right, nicely done. Cool. So I know that other road can seem a little bit confusing, but do you get where I was coming from?
Yeah, I know what you mean. If it's on the
Yeah, the side roads.
Out of the sea.
He was seriously tempted just to go through that. What is he doing? Is he on his phone? Yeah, he's on his phone.
Is he?
Look at him.
Oh shit, yeah.
Unbelievable. No wonder he was driving like it. Get going then. That's a good gap, but get going. Go on, get going. Get going more.
Yeah.
And then settle to 30. Alright? Make certain when you're emerging or crossing traffic or fitting in or joining the road or whatever that you don't inconvenience people.
Yeah.
Yeah? If you inconvenience people, you shouldn't go. Alright? And I think if you're ever in doubt, you've already made your mind up. Don't go. Yeah? This fella was just an utter idiot. He overtook from behind the car we pulled out in front just because there's a learner there.
Yeah.
And honestly, you will get people like that. There are people like that. So unfortunately, it's just a job to deal with them. It just shows you. Look at his car. He's got no brake lights. He's only got the top level brake light. So if we're anywhere near this idiot at the roundabout,
Yeah.
give him space. Yeah? Diffuse the situation. Make the problem not a problem.
Yeah.
Do you get where I'm coming from? Yeah? Because he's obviously a problem. Whiston at the roundabout, second exit left.
Never backwards, I think.
No, and that's the amusing part about it as well. But don't be surprised if he just pulls in front.
Yeah.
Typical.
Have a look at the white car that's parked on the right hand side of the road. I'm so flabbergasted, I even forget what type of crossing it is. Parked on a zebra crossing or a pelican crossing on the right side of a dual carriageway. Wow. The white van going through the red light, although it was bad, I've seen worse. But what concerned me more was how the learner acted a little bit further up the road. The lights have just changed and the learner's still stationary.
Jeez. Yeah, no wonder you're looking at them, mate. Someone tell her it's not raining. Amazing. Oh, that's not class. We end up in the furthest left lane. Don't turn yet. Start going slower. Don't turn. Stay straight. Don't turn. Stay straight. Go forward. When are you going to turn to go on that furthest lane? Yeah. Good. Nice job. If we're clear, off we go. Just go faster and faster. Keep listening to that engine. Right, this one. Where's he going to go? People are out tonight, aren't they? Flipping heck. We go. Makes sense.
Yeah.
So rather than just steering, you had to watch and deal with it.
Yeah.
Where should we be in the road now? Yeah, good. Is it going to do a U-turn all the way round? We're slow. Be careful of it now. Be careful of it now. Stop. Off the brake. Now carry on again. Well done. You did ever so well. Well, listen, Lucy. They're not the brightest spark, are they?
No.
We're going to keep away from them.